Okay, I'm gonna talk to you about this game-changing laundry hack. Are you ready for it? Life-changing. It has totally changed my entire laundry routine, and I am finally able to keep up.
I was at the wrong place at the right time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Brittany and I am a full-time work from the home homeschooling mama. If you're new, we would love to have you hit that red subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. I do share a lot of motherhood lifestyle content on my channel, and I would love to have you subscribe and stick around. So I always say that a good laundry routine starts the night before. So I was just sorting some laundry and getting my washer loaded for the next day. Now sometimes I'll hit the remote start on mine because I can hit remote start, load it up, put the soap and the detergent in and the fabric softener, whatever I'm using, and hit remote start and then start it from my cell phone the next day. However, I sometimes will run it the night before and then switch it over in the morning as well. So that is a tip for you, to either load the night before or start the load and then switch it over in the morning, just when you have like a lot that you're trying to catch up on. But I do preach on 1 to 2 loads a day, start to finish. It really does help you stay on top of the mess and not feel so overwhelmed. So this is what I was doing on this particular night. I was getting it ready, and then I am going to start out on the next day, and you're going to see me gathering all of the laundry, and I'm going to sort it and get it started, and then we are going to share a life-changing laundry hack with you. So stay tuned.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on those strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were into
Okay, I'm gonna talk to you about this game-changing laundry hack. Are you ready for it? Life-changing. It has totally changed my entire laundry routine, and I am finally able to keep up. So, okay, now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna show you, and you're probably gonna be like, well, Brittany, what if I don't have that option? I have a solution for you. So, my washer and dryer comes with an app, okay? And right now mine says 15 minutes left on the washer and that the dryer is off. So when it is finished, I get a notification on my watch and on my phone stating that the laundry is done. So I used to do loads of laundry and it would sit in the washer and I would forget about it and I wouldn't move it to the dryer, and then it would be smelly the next day and I would have to redo my laundry. So when we got this new washer and dryer, it is the LG, it's an LG washer and dryer, and it has Wi-Fi capability. So it comes with an app. However, before I got this, and I used to do this, but this is something you could 1000% utilize with any washer and dryer and still be able to have the same benefits, so to speak, as I do with my washer and dryer. So my biggest tip for you would be, if you are one of those people where your laundry, you forget to switch it over or you forget to go check on it and it sits in your washer and dryer for days, is to set an alarm on your phone. Sounds so simple, but I never thought to do it forever. So my tip to you would be to go into your alarms or timers and set a timer for your washer and then set a timer for your dryer. So if it normally takes an hour for both, then set one for your washer, set one for your dryer. When they go off, then you know to go down and switch out the clothes. You can also set reminders on your phone and tell it, like, Siri, remind me in an hour to get my laundry out of the washer. Or you can ask Alexa to do it. So it didn't ever like really dawn on me until I had the option to do this, but you guys, it is a game changer for sure. I forget about my stuff all the time. I mean, this washer and dryer, there's so many perks to it because I can start it from on the go. So like I can load it the night before and hit remote start, and then when I get up in the morning I can start it right from my cell phone. So there's so many things that I can do with ours. However, like I said, setting an alarm, even setting an alarm on your phone to remind you to switch it over is going to change everything, especially if your washer and dryer is not on the main floor of your house. Ours is in our basement. I know a lot of people have them on the second floor. So if you're not constantly on that level, it is so easy to forget about it. So that is my tip for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you utilize it. Tag me over on Instagram. Let me know down below. Or let me know if you already do this or you never thought to do it, because I never thought to do it before. It was just made easy for me. So let me know. I hope that helps you guys. And now let's get back to our regularly scheduled laundry motivation. So another tip that I have for you, it's my birthday gift for my boys sitting on my nightstand. But when I'm gonna do like a mass amount of laundry, we dump it on our master bed that is already made so that when I do have time, I can just come in here and fold the laundry, but it's not sitting in laundry baskets, so it's not getting wrinkled, and I have to fold it before I go to bed. So there is another tip for you guys.
Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know.
So typically when I'm folding a mass amount of laundry like this was 2 or 3 loads. What I will do is I will do it on my bed, sit on my bed, because A, all the laundry gets put away upstairs, but B, I'll put something on TV, like one of my favorite YouTubers, a motivating video, maybe a Netflix series that I'm watching, and it helps pass the time. And so that's what I was doing on this particular day. I was watching some of my YouTube friends because I wanted to just quickly get it done. So I am just going to fold and put away all of these clothes. I usually start in my bedroom, so I'll fold everything, and then I'll put all of mine and my husband's clothes away, and then I will move on to putting the boys and like the towels and sheets and that kind of stuff away. So that is just what I do, but it seems to work for us. I have folded my laundry in the laundry room. I've folded it on our main floor before, and I kind of just go with the flow. If we're like schooling and we're downstairs, I might do it like in the kitchen or in the living room. But for the most part, I like to just put it on my bed and then come up there and fold it. It's one less step. I don't have to carry it all the way upstairs then and then re-unload it to put it in everybody's rooms.
And on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. We know that for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beach sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? You play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beach sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So here is an example of when the notification will go off on my watch, and then I head downstairs and get everything switched over. I was just loading a new load, and then we are going to get a mass amount of laundry folded. So I had done 2 major folding sessions on this day. One was in the morning, and then I did my laundry throughout the day, put it on my bed, and the other mass folding session was at night while I was watching, it was probably Big Brother that was on. I know it just ended. If you're a Big Brother fan, let me know down below. I love that show, and I watch it every single summer. Also, if you have a new Netflix series suggestion, leave that down below as well. I started watching Schitt's Creek, and it is pretty good, but I don't know. I'm not totally into it, so let me know if you have another suggestion down below.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe.
All right, you guys, we are coming towards the end of today's video. I hope this video gave you tons of motivation to get something done on your to-do list. Let me know if you like laundry routine videos, and help me out by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new before you leave so that you're notified. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything, but you will be notified when I post so that you don't miss any of our content. I typically post on Thursdays and Sundays, and occasionally I have a bonus video on a Tuesday. All motherhood lifestyle content, and coming up I have a Christmas prep series coming out starting next week, and you don't want to miss it. So again, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful?